Hello guys, welcome to Lecture 5. So today we are looking at this Olympiad Math question. We have to prove that sine squared 10 degrees plus sine squared 50 degrees plus sine squared 70 degrees is equal to 3 on 2. So with this, I'm going to prove from the left hand side. Okay, so proving from we know that sine squared theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta on 2, right? So we are going to use this rule to change every expression in sine to cos. Okay? So we have sine squared 10 degrees. It becomes 1 minus cos 20 degrees on 2 plus 1 minus cos. So 50 times 2, we get 100 degrees on 2 plus 1 minus cos. 70 times 2 is 140 degrees on 2. Okay. So with this, we can factorize all the 1 out. So we have 1 minus 1 minus, we can factorize them out. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, we get 3. Okay, so you can say that minus, you see, then into bracket cos 20 degrees plus cos 100 degrees plus cos 140 degrees all on 2, like this. See, but then we know that cos 20 degrees plus cos 100 degrees plus cos 140 degrees, we can change it in the alternate angle. So you can say that this cos 100 degrees can be equal to cos negative cos 80 degrees. And this 140, we can also express it as cos 140 degrees is equal to negative cos 40 degrees. Okay, so can use this in the expression. So we are going to get 3 minus into bracket cos 20 degrees minus cos 80 degrees minus cos 40 degrees all on 2. Okay, and this 20 cos and this cos 20 degrees minus cos 80 degrees minus cos 40 degrees, it sum up to 0. So you can say that 3 minus 0, okay, all over 2. Okay, so this one will give us 3 on 2, so which is equal to 3 on 2. So we've proved that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So we proved that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So it means that this expression proves to be true. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.